Hey y'all, I'm Krista with Country K Dance, and today I'll be teaching a line dance called Rodeo. It is a 32 count, 4-wall dance to the song Rodeo by Lenny Cooper, choreographed by Alexis Chavez and Sabrina Schneider. I'll teach it to you 1 8 count at a time, so let's turn around and get started. All right, the first 8 count is going to start off with 2 walks forward. We take a step forward on our right and then on our left. That happens on 1, 2. Then the next part is pretty quick. It happens on and 3 and 4. We're going to go out, out, in, cross. Okay, so there's 4 steps there, out, out, in, cross, and it happens right, left, right, left. So after the first 2 steps, 1, 2, we go out, out, in, cross. Okay, do that again with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. One more time, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Good. So now we're here with our crossed position. We're going to take a quarter turn to our right and step with our right foot. Then a whole half turn right, step back with our left. Then take a step back on the right without turning and tap the left toe forward. Okay? So back to the cross, out, out, in, cross. We step 5, step 6, step back 7, tap 8. Okay, a little bit quicker. Out, out, in, cross. Step 5, step 6, back 7, touch 8. Good. Let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, walk forward on 1, 2, out, out, in, cross, step 5, step 6, back 7, touch 8. All right, let's do that first 8 count just a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, step 5, 6, back 7, touch 8. All right, the second 8 count is going to start facing this 9 o'clock wall. From here, we have our left foot tapped in front. We're actually gonna step forward with that left foot, big step forward on 1, dragging your right foot and bringing it on 2, okay? So it's technically just 2 steps, but we want to make it a big drag. So we step 1, 2. We're going to step forward again on the left, 3, pivot, 4, shifting the weight into the right leg. On 5 and 6, we triple forward, left, right, left. 7, 8 is a body roll. Okay? From the top of that 8 count, left foot is touched forward. Big step on 1 together, 2, step 3, pivot 4, 5 and 6, roll 7, 8. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, touch 8, step 1, 2, 3, turn 4, triple 5 and 6, roll 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, tap 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. All right, now that we have the first 2 8 counts, let's go ahead and put those together before we learn the rest of it. From the top, here we go. 5, 6, 7, walk forward on 1, 2, out, out, in, cross, step, turn, back, and touch. Step, together, step, pivot, triple step, body roll. All right, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, we walk on 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, this third 8 count is actually going to be facing the 3 o'clock wall the entire time. So we just did our body roll on 7, 8. Now we're going to do 2 kickball taps, and the taps are out to the side. So we're going to kick our right foot forward, replace it underneath us, left foot taps out, then to the other side, left foot forward, underneath, right foot out. Okay, that happens on 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So from the body roll, 7, 8, kick, 1 and tap, 3 and tap. A little bit faster. 5, 6, body roll, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good. So we have our right foot out to the side. We're now going to step that right foot down Step the left foot down. And then you have some creative liberties here on 7, 8. You can just do one big booty roll. You can do a couple of hip shakes, whatever you want. So you have a lot of room for playing around there, okay? I'll just go 7, 8. All right, so that whole 8 count, from the top of that 8 count, we did a body roll, 7, 8, kick, 1 and 2, out, 3 and 4, step, 5, step, 6, shake, 7, 8. Or roll, 7, 8, whatever you want. All right, let's do it a little faster. 5, 6, roll, 7, 8, kick, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, step, 5, step, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we know the first 3 8 counts. Let's go ahead and put them together before we finish it up. From the top, 5, 6, 7, we walk on 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8, 1, 2, 3, pivot 4, triple, body roll, kick and tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, we're walking, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, to start this 4th 8 count, we're still facing the 3 o'clock wall. We just did 5, 6 booty roll or booty shake on 7, 8. Now we're going to do 2 sailor steps and 4 paddle turns to close out this dance. So sailor step with our right foot behind the left, left foot out, right foot to the right. Okay, so on 1 and 2, we step behind, out, out. On 3 and 4, we do the other side. So the left foot comes behind, right foot comes out, left foot goes out. Okay, so again, very slow. We did 7, 8, behind, out, out, behind, out, out, with counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good. So now that we've done the sailor steps, we're simply going to make a full turn and do 4 paddles. 5, 6, 7, 8. And since the song is called Rodeo, we're just going to lasso it out. Okay? So that last 8 count one more time. 5, 6, shake, 7, 8, sailor, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit faster, and then we'll put it all together. 5, 6, shake, 7, 8, sailor, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, lasso, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's it. That's all 4 8 counts, so let's go ahead and put them all together. Here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, walk forward, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, kick, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, step, 5, 6, shake, 7, 8, sailor, 1 and 2, 3 and paddle, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we restart to this wall. So let's go ahead and do it a little bit faster. We're going to do the next 3 walls back to back so you can get a feeling of how it'll actually go in the song. Facing 3 o'clock, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, triple 5 and 6, 7 and kick, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and sailor, 1 and 2, 3 and paddle, 5, 6, 7 to the back, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, kick, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, shake, 7, 8, sailor, 1 and 2, 3 and paddle, 5, 6, 7, last time, 1, 2, out, out, in, cross, step, and touch, 1, 2, 3, 4, triple 5 and 6, body roll, kick and touch, step, step, shake, shake, sailor step, paddle, 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 paddle. Okay, so there is actually one tag of sorts in this dance. It is optional. It's not on the step sheet, but you will see people doing it at the bars typically. And you can do the dance regular and it doesn't matter. But in the music, it's just past halfway in the song. You'll hear it say up and down, side to side. When that happens, people will typically jump up and back, side to side, and then continue on with the dance. That actually just happens in place of the kickball taps, just in that part of the song where it says it. So again, optional, you don't have to do that, but you'll probably see people around you doing it at the bars, and you'll hear it in the music up and down, side to side. All right, that's it. You've learned rodeo. It is a super fun line dance, obviously to the original song Rodeo by Lenny Cooper, but it can be done and it can be really fun to a lot of different pop songs. I, for one, know that it goes really well with Fireball, super fun, but it can be one of those dances that you can resort to when there's a song on and you're like, I want to dance, but I don't know what to do. You could probably do rodeo to it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll put the demo right over here. The demo and the step sheet will be linked in the description. Again, it's a 32 count 4-wall dance with an optional tag. My name's Krista from Country K Dance, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.